Informal English words for daily use. Dude. Friend or guy. Hey dude, what's going on? Bro. Brother or close male friend. Thanks bro, you saved me. Boo. Boyfriend or girlfriend. I'm hanging with my boo tonight. Chick. Informal word for a girl. Who's that chick over there? Fam. Close friends or family. I'm hanging out with the fam tonight. Homie. Friend from your neighborhood. He's my homie from school. Salty. Bitter or annoyed. He's salty because he lost the game. Bougie. Acting rich, fancy, or high class, often in a showy or exaggerated way. She's so bougie with her designer bag. Goofy. Silly or funny. You're acting goofy today. Shady. Suspicious or untrustworthy. That deal sounds shady. Bummer. Something disappointing or unfortunate. It's raining, what a bummer. Creepy. Strange in a way that makes you feel scared or uncomfortable. That guy is kinda creepy. Lame. Unacceptable or weak, boring or not cool. That excuse is so lame.